Guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you one website that you can visit to solve all your gadget problems like your phone, laptop, or any machine that you are using. You can visit this website for assistance if you are facing any problem. They will help you to solve it, or they will help you to know more details about about the problem your machine is facing. It's very easy and simple. Just follow me and let me show you. At the end of the video, you will learn something out from it. So this is the website. So it's called WikiHow. WikiHow. I've been using this website to solve a lot of my problems. So when you come, all that you need is just tap your problem that your machine is facing. Tap the problem that your machine is facing. Something like maybe how to let's see how to clean laptop. How to clean laptop. Then you tap it on, then you search it. So let's take this one, how to clean laptop. They will assist you on how you clean your laptop every day. So the first one is wiping the screen. Then you go through, then you read everything. Then the second procedure is here. Then you go through, then you read it, then you follow it. Then this is the third one, as you can see. Then this is the fourth one. So sometimes they will provide you videos and others. Then you just follow it. Then you do it as they are doing it. Have you seen it? They are cleaning the screen. Have you seen it? Then you move on to the fourth one. How you do it? Have you seen what they are doing? So this is how we clean laptop. Have you seen it? How they are cleaning the keys. So you take them. You just follow how we remove dust and other things from the keyboard, password, other things and in between. So you just follow. Okay, so let's tap another one. Let's see how to repair phone screen. Then you search it. Any problem that you are facing, then you just tap into it. Then they will show you some of the way that you can clean your phone screen, repair your phone screen and other things. So how to clean computer. This is the best way to fix broken display on your screen. How to repair a tear window screen. Just go through. Then if you find your problem that you are looking for, then you just tap on it. Then they will help you, or they will assist you to do it. So best way to fix broken display on your phone screen. Then you just follow the steps, as you can see over here. You follow step by step. You just go through step by step. You just go through it. It's very easy and simple. So any problem that your phone is facing, you can just visit this website. Then you just tap the problem. Then you are free to go. They have so many ways of doing this. So you can just tap what you are looking for. Then they will provide you with your assist, or they will assist you to solve the problem. So how to buy original phone. So you just tap it. No electronic shopping, down online. Okay. So this is how to buy a cell phone. So if you want to buy a cell phone, you just tap on it. Then they will show you ways and means that you buy the cell phone. Can I buy a cell phone without a plan? Yes. So warranty. You just check all the things that you check before you buy original phone. It is here. Then you just follow the things that you have to know before buying original phone. You just go through. So anything that you are facing, any problem that you have, you just tap on it. Then you are free to go. So all you need is just tap your problem. Then they will solve it for you. How to activate Windows on laptop. Then you search it. Okay, so how to format a window laptop, how to set up a window laptop 10, how to control fan speed on a Windows. Anything that you want, you just want to tap it. And a lot of people are searching your results too. So this one almost million. This one 50,450 views. 197. So anything that you are looking for, a lot of people are using the same thing. So have you seen it? A safe place for this is how to let's take the how to format a Windows laptop. So you just follow the procedures, then you just learn it. Then you do it by yourself. You don't have to carry your laptop to anywhere. You just follow it. As you can see, they will provide you videos and anything that you want. So this is how to format Windows 10, how to set up a Windows 10 laptop. You can also do the same thing. You just follow what they will give it to you. Then you read through. Then you are free to go. So that's how to acquire some knowledge for your machine that you are using. It's just simple and easy. So you just need to visit the website, which is called WikiHow. So when you visit the website, anything or any problem that your machine is facing, you just tap to the search engine, then they will provide you with assist. And a lot of people are using this to solve many problems. You don't have to, not any problem that you have to carry your machine to a repairer or any other. You can learn something from other website, then you can face your machine problem. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment if you don't understand anything. Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Keep it from here, Charlie.